Hey guys, Scott here from scottsweb.dev. Today I'm going to show you a better way to display your images from ACF or Advanced Custom Fields. You may be doing it the way I used to do it, which is just typing out the HTML for an image tag and setting the attributes. Um, it's a lot of typing. We'll see here, if I go in the back end, I created an ACF field group to display on this template I created. The only field I have is image. So on the back end here, I selected an image, saved it, and then on the front end, we display our image. And how I used to do that was I would check if there was an image, and then I would type out the HTML, like image source equals, and then grab the image source from ACF. Same for width, same for height, same for alt, all of that. It's a lot of typing when you have a lot of images, a lot of sizing variables you can get wrong. Also, it doesn't provide a source set. You could manually provide one with the info ACF provides, but again, it would be a lot of typing. And there's a better way to do this. So we can actually use a WordPress function called WP get attachment image, and I'll show you how to do that. So instead of typing out the HTML, we would do echo WP get attachment image, pass in the ID. So that'd be fields image ID, and then our size that we want. So I'll put full, and that's it. As opposed to typing out a long string of HTML with all of your attributes, this will do that for you, and it's going to do it better. So here, let me save this, and I'll go and refresh this. And if we inspect this image here, you can see it generated all this HTML for us. It generated the width, height, source, class, alt, and then the source set here, which is going to display the appropriate sized image based on screen size. So it did all of that without us having to type it out. And it is flexible as well. Like if you need to pass in a class or other parameters, you just put false here. This is for whether the image is an icon or not. So I put false. And then you would pass in an array of attributes. Like I could put lazy, well, I won't do that. I'll just put ID, my image, class, this image, and we'll save it. Go back here, and now we have class, this image, ID, my image. So this is a much better way to display your ACF images. Don't waste a lot of time like I used to do typing out the HTML when you can get it better with a source set just by using WP get attachment image. So I wanted to show you this neat little tip. I hope it's helpful for you. Subscribe to my channel if it is. Lots more how-to videos coming up, so hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.